Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you haven't heard of me, my name is Selena Williams. Today, tonight, whatever time you're watching this, I'm gonna kinda explain why me and my ex broke up. And if you have seen his videos, yes, he is absolutely saying the truth. I did cheat on him like 3 times. Yes, I do absolutely regret it, because once you're in a relationship, you should be loyal, honest to the person that you're in a relationship with. But in all reality, I was being the trashy one. I just kept on having that thought in my head, thinking that he's the one cheating on me. So, in all at the end, I'm the one that's cheating on him, because the thought of him cheating on me. Yes, that's very bad of me to say and kind of relate it to my situation, or what I'm trying to say. Fuck. And I'm going the wrong way. Basically, what I'm trying to say is, I'm not trying to make it all about me. But at the same time, it probably sounds like I am making it all about me. Fast forward 5 months. Today is October 3rd, 2025. Before I got in the relationship with Drake, and before I got with this guy named Damaris, I fell in love with this guy named Josh. Yes, he's 35 years old. I am 19 years old. I am a young woman. I can make my own decisions. They might not be the most pleasant decisions, but I can make my own decisions. And yes, a fuck up is a fuck up, but you move on. You get over it. Yes, those people out there that may call you a cheater, a whore, whatever, but as long as you know that you're the one that's doing a good job, and you're the one that has the mindset of you doing a good job, that's the way to put it, basically. Yeah, the story's kind of all over the place. I haven't posted in like 5 months, so everything is just going in and out. So, yeah, that's basically why I've been gone for like 5 whole months. And not only that, I do have a job at McDonald's on West River, and I've been holding on to that job for quite a while, for like 5 whole months. And yes, I told myself that I was going to quit long time ago, but have I? No, because I absolutely need the money. Lately, I've been going out every night for almost a month with Josh. And really, and I don't know what it is about this guy. 2 years ago, when I met him, he had a girlfriend. Yeah, it's pretty fucked of me having a crush on someone that has a girlfriend. But I was upstairs one day trying to get to smoke with him, right? Him and his girlfriend was arguing. I said, okay, what are you arguing about? Maybe I can help. Supposedly his girlfriend lied about her kid situation, and apparently she was in the hospital when she got a call from CPS, and apparently she didn't pick it up. But if it was my kid, hell yeah, I'm picking up the phone, because that's my kid. I'm not gonna let my kid be stranded. Hell no. I know some parents out there don't give a fuck about their children. And I'm not even a mom yet. But I sure the fuck will care for my children. And that's on me. And that's on God. But yeah, y'all, that's all I gotta say. I hope y'all have a good day. Like, comment, share, subscribe.